Okay, if we take a look at this one, I think it's super obvious, but I'm just going to say as y comes down, x increases, right? I can come over here. I think it's inverse, but if I wasn't sure, I could try them all, right? So I could try y1 a x1 plus b, right? Well, that doesn't look like a great fit. Okay. I could try y1 equals, let's see, a square root of x1. Looks like maybe that's not supposed to be a capital. Maybe x1. Yeah, that sure doesn't look good, does it? Or I could try the one I think it probably is just from looking at it, which is inverse, which is y1 equals a, let's see, inverse. So it'd be a x, oops, gonna have to be x1, isn't it? 1 x to the, have to back it up a little bit, I'm not sure how that, to the negative 1. Oh, I didn't get the x1 in there. x1 square negative 1. No. Negative 1. I'm sure there's a better way to do this. Maybe. There we go. Negative 1. Ah, there we go. Look at that. Loves it. Okay, so what that says is as y increases, x to the negative 1 decreases. As y increases, x to the negative 1 increases. So you can see it makes the inverse shape. And I think the thing that's important to remember is for any of these, I'm just going to say it again, if you want the linear plot, let's see if it will let me draw. Wouldn't that be nice? If you want the linear plot, then you plot these two things, yeah? So you plot y1 versus x1 to the negative 1, which is just the inverse, okay? And that's going to give you a straight line. Okay, so for any of these, if you can figure out what the equation is, then you plot this versus this. If you're asked what do you plot to linearize it, you plot whatever you come up with, the y and the x there.